Ready to dive into the world of Bitcoin, but not sure where to start? Let's make it easy, showing you how to buy and send Bitcoin using Kraken. First, you'll need a Kraken account. Head over to Kraken and click the sign up button. Enter your email address, a secure username, and a strong password. Then click create account. Next, verify your account. Kraken has different verification tiers, each with increasing limits for basic Bitcoin buying and sending. The starter or express tier should be enough, requiring information like your name, date of birth, and address. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete verification. Once verified, fund your account. Select your preferred deposit method, like a bank transfer or credit card, and follow the instructions to deposit funds. Then, navigate to the trade section. Select the BTC, USD, or BTC, EU or pair, depending on your deposited currency. Now, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy. Choose a market or limit order, and click Buy BTC. To send your Bitcoin, go to the withdrawal section and select Bitcoin. Carefully enter the recipient's Bitcoin address. Double check it. Incorrect addresses can result in lost funds. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to send. Review the transaction details, and click Withdraw. Confirm the withdrawal via email or using your 2FA authenticator app if you have it enabled, which we highly recommend for security. And that's it. You've successfully bought and sent Bitcoin on Kraken. Now you are ready to start your cryptocurrency journey with confidence.